Hello again. Recently, I finished for the Azure and AWS. Now it is time for DevOps. So today is day 65 of the 100 Days of DevOps series. The title is here, Deploy Redis deployment on Kubernetes. So we had to do a deployment in terms of Redis deployment. Alright, so let me click the start button. And let me go to appdrawer.com. Alright, so I will copy first. So here the Natalia's application development team observed some performance issue with one of the application that is deployed in Kubernetes cluster. After looking into number of factors, the team has suggested to use some in-memory caching utility for database service. After number of discussions, they have decided to use Redis. Initially, they would like to deploy Redis on Kubernetes cluster for testing, and later they will move it to the production. So finally, they use the Redis in the production state. So please find below more details about the task. So here we have to create a Redis deployment with the following parameters. So here, first of all, we have to create a ConfigMap and call the ConfigMap name is my-redis-config, and then memory is 2 MB in redis-config. Okay, so deployment name is redis-deployment. It should use Redis Alpine image. Container name is redis-container, and also make sure it has only one replica. And the container should request for one CPU. Okay, great. So we had to mount two volumes. An empty directory volume called data at the path. This is a mount path. So volume name is data. So ConfigMap volume is redis-config at this specific mount path directory. So the container should expose port 6037.6. So finally we had to do the Redis deployment, right? So Redis deployments should be up and running. So okay, so here we will create the YAML file first. So I will get the theme editor. I will define as Redis deployment deployment of YAML. So I will write like this. So within the file I have to write YAML codes line by line. So here I will copy all of these given requirements and I will directly find in Google. That would be easier. So here, okay, we're gonna do here. So we're gonna copy this YAML codes and I will paste right here. But here we have to check it again. So config map name is here my-redis-config, and memory usage is 2 MB. Great. So now here we have to do the count is deployment, right? Deployment name is Redis deployment. Replicas count is 1, and app name is here. We don't need to give the specific name. We don't need to give the correct name. You can get any name, but I gave the Redis. That's fine. And here also the same Redis within a template metadata. Container name is redis-container. Image name is redis alpine. And here is CPU amount is 1, and container port is 6379, and volume amount is for two volumes right here. Data, redis-master-data, great. And another one is for ConfigMap. ConfigMap volume name is here, and that is redis-master. So volume is empty directory, name is data, and data is for the here for the volume data, and then another one is the redis-config volume. Okay, great. So now everything's completed right here. So let me save it and escape, and let me apply apply and -f and redis-deployment.yaml. So let me check it out. So here we get the YAML fine. So key get post. So we just only have redis deployment port that is ready. Here's status is running. How about key get deployment for the redis? Okay, so everything is perfect right now. How about key get service? Do we have the service? As we see. So here also service is Kubernetes. Okay, great. So let me run this port exec-it, and then I will give this port name. So now we use the Redis, right? So let me execute it with the Redis CLI. Yeah, so here, let me check with the ping. Okay, so here I get the prompt. Okay, great. So now I think we finished for this. Let me exit CURL HTTP. Here we can do like this. Okay, great. So let me check it out and click confirm. Yeah, that's it. So we successfully finished for this lab right here. So no issue faced. Alright, I will collect 50 coins right here. So thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again.